The Golgi apparatus is an organelle present in all eukaryotic cells. The Golgi complex can be identified by its unique structure, which some say looks like a maze, but in fact the structure is made of sacs of flattened membranous sacs or cisternae. A major function is the modifying, sorting, and packaging of proteins for secretion. It is also involved in the transport of lipids around the cell and the creation of lysosomes. Then after transferring all the way through the stack, the modified proteins or lipids reaches the transport vessel of the Golgi, where it finally gets shipped out one last time to the either different part of the cell or to the cell membrane. This making the Golgi apparatus like UPS. As many proteins, insulin is processed in the Golgi apparatus and secreted in vesicles. The Golgi apparatus is the most important organelle because without the Golgi apparatus, the cell would not be able to digest anything due to lack of lysosomes. Everyone would never grow because if it weren't for the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi will transport necessary macromolecules to the cell membrane, which in turn leads to cell division and large amounts of growth in eukaryotic organisms. Things come to the Golgi when vesicles fuse with the Golgi membranes and release their internally stored molecules into the organelle. Once inside, the compounds are further processed by the Golgi apparatus, which adds molecules or chops tiny pieces off the ends. These are delivered inside or outside the cell. Some might even become lysosomes if they mature correctly. Some believe the Golgi apparatus causes Alzheimer's, but that is not true. The Golgi apparatus isn't to blame for Alzheimer's. The mitochondria is actually to blame. Mitochondria assume central functions in the cell, including ATP production, calcium homeostasis, reactive oxygen species generation, and apoptic signaling. Although their role as the cause of the disease may be controversial, there is no doubt that the mitochondrial dysfunction, abnormal mitochondrial dynamics, and degradation by mitophagy occur during this disease process, contributing to its onset and progression. Vote for the Golgi, transport and growth on a fly.
Yeah.
I endorse the Golgi apparatus because it's an organelle present in all eukaryotic cells.